My name is Lak. I live in Sunnyvale, California. We did a remodel of our guest bathroom, laundry room, office room, and a temple nook in our house with Done Right home remodeling. The first thing we were looking for when we hired a contractor is that they took the time to understand what we wanted. And they weren't just following a certain playbook, but rather that they were listening carefully to what we wanted, not just what we wanted to do, but also the standards of expectations. And I think what was great about the Done Right crew was among the 3 firms that we interviewed in the selection process, they were the ones that really understood that I had very high expectations of quality and beyond what we just wanted to do in the remodeling. My project managers were Matt and Ray, and both of them shared the project management responsibilities. And I liked it because if I couldn't reach one person, then I could always reach the other person. And that way we were able to make good progress on the project. The great thing about working with Matt and Ray is that we agreed up front that it's not about whether we will have problems or not, but about how we would address problems. That they would take the time to understand what the problem was. We would exchange information, we would be completely open about what the problem is, and then we will work on a solution. And this is the model that I really, throughout the project, I worked with both Matt and Ray on. And that's the reason I feel at the end we got everything done that we wanted to, because of the open communication and problem solving style. What really matters at the end is whether we got what we wanted. It actually looks better in person than was actually in the pictures. And my fear was that the pictures look good, but the end product is not going to be as good. Things turned out the way I wanted it at the end because they listened to what I wanted. They appreciated the attention to detail. In fact, at the end, we had lists of 20, 30 items that we were tracking that I was sharing with them, and they got every single thing done to my satisfaction. And the end product is as we had drawn up, and even better than it was drawn up. So I think this is kind of being very satisfying from that perspective, because now we're going to enjoy the results of the work. It's also, I would highly recommend both the company, the project managers and the crew, because I think I also got a chance to meet with the owners of the company, project managers. They want your project to be successful. And I think that level of honesty and wanting you to be happy is very important in this process.